Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review food all around the world. Today I have for you an unboxing. Today I have Rocksbox. But just a quick disclaimer, because I've been doing this. So this video will go up toward the end of the week, which will be in May. I just got this box in the mail today, which is Monday, which is still in April, and I will put my last review up first. But I did not, before this box shipped, I did not catch it in time to cancel my subscription. So, and I do have that $21 credit, so I will keep this box for 1 or 2 more boxes until I'm able to get a piece that I do like, and then I will cancel this. Also, a quick disclaimer, I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will link that down below, and I have a announcement for a future giveaway. I will also link that down below, and you are seeing this in May. It is my birthday month. So, we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna try to get videos up consistently, or as consistently as I can. I hope you guys stick with me and bear with me. Well, but there will be more restaurant vlogs and vacation vlogs because every year we go to Vegas for my birthday, and we will be there this year for 5 or 6 days. I don't quite remember. It's one or the other, but I mean, I hope you enjoy that ride too. So getting into Rocksbox. Now, I did see my sneak peek for this. I don't think I'm going to be keeping any of the items in here. They sent me a bracelet that is roughly the same as one of the bracelets I already kept. I find that kind of odd. I mean, even though it was in my favorites, I would think that since I bought one, that they wouldn't send me another that is similar. I mean, I don't know. To me, if I were running the show, I would be like, okay, well, they bought this piece. This piece is too similar. I'm not going to send that. But I'm not running that show, so it is what it is, I guess. So opening up Rocksbox, and this is what you see when you open up the box. And it says, oh, that's a little crooked. Ready, set, sparkle. And I apologize for my lighting. The sun is going down here today. I just wanted to get this box recorded before the end of the day. But anyway, so it shows you the 3 jewelry pieces that you have, and it shows you the cost. And then you get your care card. Tells you how to take care of your jewelry. And then you have your little burrito of 3 pieces of jewelry. Inside here you have the return shipping label. And let's get into these pieces. So the first thing I am pulling out is the Rocksbox velvet bag. And it looks like 2 of these pieces, they say wish granted, so I'm assuming that 2 of these pieces were in on my like page, or, you know, hey, I'd like to try these things, and then the necklace was not. So the first thing I am pulling out is this ring, and it's in this little plastic baggie. And let's see. And that is what that looks like. Okay, so it fits that finger, and it's just in rose gold. And it has little like fake diamond gems or whatever. I don't know, it's cute, it's pretty, but I don't think it's really my style. I don't think it's my sort of thing. I like really gaudy, big, bulky rings. let me show you the kind of jewelry that I mostly enjoy. Ooh. Ooh, that's really tight. So I have gained weight, which is why you don't ever see me wearing a wedding ring, because it's actually too small for me right now. But that is what my wedding ring looks like. It is a black pearl, and it is surrounded by 30 diamonds. But like, I like big, gaudy rings. Like, that's my jam. And that is a real pearl that this is sterling silver, and that is a real pearl that was set into this ring. That is a ring that I absolutely adore. This used to actually fit on my middle finger, but it is a yellow sapphire, and it is a gold. It has a gold band, and it's surrounded by chocolate diamonds. This is a ring. This is an antique. This is from my grandmother. It is a pearl set in gold, or what used to be white gold, or maybe yellow gold. I don't know. It's pretty worn down. I believe this ring is over 150 years old. This ring, I bought this ring at an antique store, and it's just like 100% my jam. Like, it's big, it's fabulous, it's blingy, and it's gaudy. Like, that is just my jam. And you know, this is I believe it's sterling silver, and those stones are not real stones, but like, that's what I look for when I'm looking for a ring. So that's why something like this just isn't going to cut it for me. Okay, let's get back on track, because that went way off the rails. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out, and it has this, it's the Rocksbox thing, and this is the bracelet that is similar to the other bracelet that I bought. The difference in this is that it's it's a rose gold opposed to the other one, which I believe is just gold. So, I mean, obviously, and I can't adjust this by myself, but that's what it looks like on. And I mean, it's really pretty. I like it, but I have already bought one that is similar to this, so I will not buy that. I don't see a point in buying it. I don't see a point in having similar pieces of jewelry. I purchase jewelry because it's unique, and I just don't feel that this stands out from the other piece that I already bought. So we will put that away. And I will just throw this directly back in the mail tomorrow, so I get another box super fast, because it's just, I need to get my final credit used. Yeah, and this, so the last piece, I'm sorry, it came in this black bag. It doesn't say Rocksbox on it or anything, but it's just a really dainty piece. This isn't me either. So it just has, and I don't even know if that's going to translate at all onto the camera, but it just has really dainty pieces. I can't, they're kind of just so tiny that I can't even really see, but they're just really dainty pieces with some really dainty stones, and that is, it's not me. It's not me. So that is this Rocksbox. Hopefully close to my last Rocksbox. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.